How to use YNAB for freelancers or side income? First of all, open the app and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see your budget categories and subcategories. For freelancers or those with side income, start by creating a category specifically for your freelance or side income. This helps you separate regular income from additional earnings. Whenever you receive payment from a client or side gig, tap plus transaction. Enter the amount, select a payee such as the client or platform, choose inflow as the transaction type and assign it to your freelance income category. Next, decide how you want to allocate this income. You can assign money to essential expenses, savings, taxes, or personal spending. For recurring side income, you can also use scheduled transactions to plan ahead and keep your budget accurate. Now you know how to use YNAB for freelancers or side income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.